Hello everyone, I'm Shom Dutta. I'm a final year doctoral student at Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi, India, and I'm presenting my poster on perception, attitude and risk factors of obesity in India, a mixed methods approach. So the latest data given by National Family Health Survey 2015 and 16 said that 20% of the Indian population have a BMI of 25 or higher, which is also the recommended cutoff for obesity as suggested by WHO for the Asian population. The data also indicated that the urban counterparts are more likely to have individuals with excess weight. So for my fieldwork for this study, I have chosen Kolkata as my study area because it is the largest urban agglomeration in eastern India, ranked 7th out of 640 districts, highest among the 5 major urban cities in India, with around 41% and 43% of female and male population aged 15 to 49 years with excess weight. So in the light of high prevalence and the rising prevalence rate in India, it is worth studying the awareness, perception, risk factors of obesity. For this study, I've got ethical approval from Jawaharlal Nehru University Institutional Ethics Review Board. So on the poster on the left side, I've put my research design. I had opted for a concurrent mixed methods design, means quantitative and qualitative data had been collected simultaneously at the same field visit. However, separate quantitative and qualitative sample population has been considered. Measurements of height, weight and waist circumference were taken at the field visit. The chosen age group is because it represented the most productive years of an individual's life. So during this period, careers are established, marriages take place and children are rare. It is crucial to prioritize the lifestyle and set up preventive health patterns for self and family members. Furthermore, this BMI group is known to be at highest risk for other health complications as well. So back to the poster, on the middle I have put the theoretical framework of this study. On the right I have put the quantitative and qualitative integrated findings as per the developed themes from the qualitative data. So by confirmation I meant two types of data confirm with each other. By discordance I meant there was some differences in understanding, or by expansion I meant this is that is the expanding of the understanding. Last but not the least, I have put 2 lines of conclusion to it. For further discussion, I will be present during the allotted session and I am also available by email. Thank you.